We're here at Collegetown Court and we're looking towards the elevator and we're about halfway up down the hallway and we're going to go into apartment 308 to see this studio apartment. Let's go on in and take a look. Here's the apartment. We're on the 3rd floor of this 5-floor building. Again, there's an elevator as well as stairs. You can see as we enter, our kitchen is over on the right. There's a refrigerator. You can see the sink and microwave. There's a stove and oven, and we have cabinets and drawers as well. So there's some good storage space here in the kitchen. Across the hall from the kitchen is the bathroom on the left and then the closet. Let's take a look first in the bathroom. So here's the bathroom. It's a large size. You can see the tub shower with a sliding door. There is the vanity, with a shelf that goes over the toilet for extra storage. That cabinet is on the right behind that mirror and the toilet. So that's a good sized bathroom for one person. We have a closet over here. We'll peek in there briefly. So some good storage space in here for a closet. And let's take a look at the room here. So again, we're in the 08 style apartment. We're on the 3rd floor. We've got a nice feature here. You can see it's mid-afternoon. We've got some nice sunshine coming in. We are facing west. We're here in the middle of Collegetown, so there are buildings around us on all sides. This is a dense area, and you can see this extra window. This is in the 08 style apartments. The extra window is on floors 3, 4, and 5. Floor 2 has the same apartment shape, but does not have the window. I like the placement of the desk here. That's usually the most popular place to put the desk, kind of overlooking this window. And from the window, you can see over towards Dryden Road. That's the Brazano Family Center across the way from us over there. You can see over here the bed. There's a dining table and chair, that nice tall bookshelf, and the dresser. You can see there's the air conditioner for the apartment. There's mini blinds on the window. The apartment is carpeted in this living room area. So we have a lot of space in this apartment. This is a generous size for the studio with that great extra window, nice and bright, facing west. We're here in Collegetown Court. Again, this is apartment 308. This same layout is on floors 2 through 5, and with the extra window, that's floor 3 through 5. And we are located at 208 Dryden Road, just steps up from the intersection of College Ave and Dryden Road. And from that intersection, we are just 1 block from campus here in central Collegetown at Collegetown Court.